Hi everyone, this is Claire from SEWTECH. Today we will show you how to change the pattern direction on the SEWTECH machine.
Step 1. Open the direction setting. First, go to page 2. Here you will see the direction button. Tap it to change the direction of your design. Each time you tap the button, the design will rotate to a different direction. You can continue tapping until the design is in the position you need. Step 2. Check the design. After changing the direction, check the design preview to make sure it's facing the correct way. Before you start embroidering, we also recommend using the trace function to confirm that the design fits inside the hoop.
Go to page 5 and enter Embroidery mode. Now you can see the stitching preview of the design.
If you are facing problem in changing the direction, first check whether the machine is in embroidery mode. When the machine is in embroidery mode, the direction setting is locked, so you won't be able to rotate the design. Exit embroidery mode first, then you can change the pattern direction. For cap embroidery,
select the design and go to page 2. You don't need to rotate the design manually. Go to page 4. Select the cap hoop. After the cap frame is selected, the machine automatically rotates the design by 180 degrees for the correct cap embroidery orientation. Check the design preview and confirm its position. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it. See you next time.